Today we are looking at a mock-up of a simple grain cleaning setup. We wanted to make this video to demonstrate how these machines can be used together. This simple grain cleaning setup is comprised of two Javelin Model C augers. They're those red augers you see there, and our Eliminator 224 grain and seed cleaner. How this system works is we have the first auger that takes the unclean grain out of the gravity flow wagon or out of the grain truck. The grain truck or gravity flow wagon would dump it into the intake of the first auger. It would go up the first auger, be deposited in the hopper of the Eliminator 224 seed cleaner. The seed cleaner takes out the impurities, the stems, the pods, the splits, the fine dust, the light chaff, etc. Once it's processed and ran through the seed cleaner, it is then discharged out the end of the seed cleaner, right there at the end of my finger, falls into the intake of the second auger. The second auger would then run it up and deposit it into a gravity flow wagon or another grain truck or another grain holding container. We wanted to make this video to demonstrate how simple a grain cleaning setup can be. These machines are all sold through us here at Commodity Traders International. Again, these are Javelin 16-4 Model C augers. The Model C indicates that it has the plastic screw for the gentle handling of the product, and it has the variable speed. The VFD feature on the Javelin 16-4 auger makes it very easy to tailor the speed of the auger screw, thus tailoring the flow rate of product into the top of the machine. This allows you to slow down the auger as needed, and it does a great job at minimizing the breakage or splitting of the product that you're running up through an auger. One other small feature on the VFD controller is the forward switch that sends the product up and through the tube, and then the reverse switch that is handy in the event of a plug or if you want to get the auger perfectly clean when changing product. These augers can be purchased with a steel screw and variable speed drive, and they can be purchased as a basic single speed auger with a motor on the top, a steel screw, and no VFD. Note that we can put a plastic screw in the base model at the buyer's request. Here is the Eliminator 224. This unit is sold by us here at Commodity Traders International. We make these units brand new. The bushels per hour on this unit is 50 to 60. So it will do 50 to 60 bushels per hour. We've sold quite a few of these units, and we have a lot of satisfied customers. And then here, this is just another Javelin Model C auger that would be taking the clean grain up and away. One other nice feature on the Javelin 16-4 auger is that it is variable height. To adjust the height, you just crank this winch here. That raises up the end of the auger, making the discharge height 10 feet 7 inches with the discharge spout installed. And if you need a little more height, you can get it up to a discharge height of 11 feet with the discharge spout removed. One question I do get consistently from other customers is how to pipe the product into the Eliminator hopper. We can see that there's some distance between the discharge spout and the hopper. What I tell people to do is go and get some 6-inch black corrugated drainage tile, put a couple of screws into the sides of the discharge spout here, and then you have a pipe that will bring the discharged product down to the hopper's level. Another thing you can do is put a light plywood or sheet metal extension on this hopper to bring it up. Then you would get more capacity above the grain cleaner. This has been a walk around of a simple grain cleaning setup. All of these machines can be bought through us here at Commodity Traders International. We sell a wide variety of grain cleaning, feed milling, and material handling equipment. Thank you for watching.